If you're taking credit cards as payment, then you need to watch this. Using paper credit card authorization forms, keeping credit card data in your office is risky. You're exposed to legal compliance issues, potential data theft, and even fines.
Introducing Allinone-Software.com. This innovative solution protects sensitive cardholder data with a fully PCI-compliant encrypted vault, so your client's information and your credit card transactions are secure.
Stop wasting hours on manual invoicing and chasing payments. With automated invoicing and billing reminders, payments flow in faster, and your team gets valuable time back.
Do you want to supercharge your customer satisfaction? Each client will get access to their secure online portal where they can log in with their phone or tablet. They can manage their profile and payment information, review invoices, and pay instantly with one click. You will make it super convenient for your customers to do business with you.
With Allinone-Software.com, you can finally protect their business, automate invoicing, create happy customers, and get paid faster.
Visit us at Allinone-Software.com today and request a demo. We are excited to hear from you.